High five.
Yun o. O, tamo, bibigay niyo.
Okay, happy birthday, Pauline! Ay, Dua, buti hindi siya takot kay Butch. Very good. Very nice, kid. Wow! Nag-enjoy si Pauline. Okay, kids, nag-enjoy pa kayo sa party ni Pauline? Ay, parang hindi ko naririnig. But ano? But, kids, did you enjoy, kids? Okay, thank you.
Uwi mo na yan. Sabi mo yan na lang gift mo.
Alright, thank you very much. Okay, sino pa yung wala? Walang
Wala na
band.
naman. Gusto na naman. Aray, sakit.
And of course, I would like to thank the adults who are going to join the game. Thank you so much for your participation. Thank you po.